Hi you guys, welcome to my Curious Crafts. This is Shan, and in today's video we're going to be styling a tablescape for Tablescape Tuesday. So let's get started. Okay you guys, so as you can see I started with a black tablecloth, and the reason why I used a black tablecloth is because the yellow and the green are kind of loud in the placemat, and I wanted to bring it down a notch so that it would be more fallish as opposed to summertime sunflowers, even though you see sunflowers in the fall all the time, but these are a little bright for my taste. So I used the black tablecloth to bring it down some, and it's neutral. Then I added transparent dinnerware because I needed to bulk up the place setting a little bit. It was laying a little flat with just the black and the white, so I bulked it up a little bit with transparent dinnerware, because when you use transparent clear things in your table setting, it's very versatile and it allows you to get away with things you wouldn't ordinarily get away with, especially if you don't have the right shades. So transparent or clear dinnerware will help you out in that regard. Okay you guys, I wanted to play up the sunflowers a little bit, so I added a few of them on the place setting, and then I went overboard completely in the centerpiece, as you can see. But I really wanted to bring out the sunflowers, and I guess you could say I went a little overboard on the centerpiece to begin with. I had these ficus bushes, and I was like, what can I use them for? I only had two. Yeah, I should have picked up more, but I didn't, and that's what happens when you see it, you have to grab it, but I didn't. So I only had two, so I was trying to figure out how could I utilize them and really bring this tablescape to life, and the centerpiece was going to have to do it for me. So I really like dealing with floral arrangement, and a lot of times in my business I don't get a chance to be free in my creativity, but I can at home. So these tablescapes are giving me a creative outlet, and I hope you guys enjoy them as well. Alright, as always you guys, I want to thank you very much for stopping by and spending your time with me today. I know you could have been somewhere else doing something else, but you chose to spend with me, and for that I am grateful. Be blessed. Bye bye.